Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make good cocktails with vodka. We'll start by understanding the foundational elements that elevate a simple drink into something truly special. It's all about selecting quality ingredients and mastering a few basic techniques. You'll learn how to balance flavors and create delicious, impressive drinks right in your own home. Get ready to mix up some fantastic vodka creations. To craft exceptional vodka cocktails, you'll need a few key items. Stock your bar with fresh citrus, a good quality simple syrup, and your preferred mixers. Essential tools include a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, a strainer, and a mixing glass. Remember, using plenty of fresh, clean ice is crucial for proper chilling and dilution. Finally, don't forget garnishes like fresh fruit or herbs to add that perfect finishing touch. Let's explore some beloved vodka cocktails you can easily make. The refreshing Moscow Mule combines vodka with spicy ginger beer and fresh lime juice. For a sophisticated choice, try a vodka martini, simply stirred with dry vermouth. The vibrant Cosmopolitan blends vodka, cranberry, lime, and a touch of orange liqueur. Or keep it simple and crisp with a classic vodka soda, garnished with a fresh lemon or lime wedge. Achieving cocktail perfection involves a few final touches. Always chill your glassware beforehand to keep your drinks colder for longer. Before serving, taste your creation and don't hesitate to adjust the balance of flavors. Experiment with different vodka brands and explore new ingredient combinations to discover your favorites. Remember, practice truly makes perfect, so enjoy the delightful journey of crafting your own signature drinks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.